back to my channel. It is currently my lunch break. If this is your first time stopping by, I do work full-time from home. So I had my morning, I did work, I had a whole bunch of meetings and projects I needed to get done. Now I'm gonna take a break and reset my house. I like to do this during my lunch break every so often, a couple times a week. Since I have the house to myself, gives me a little bit of energy and gives some movement in between my days since I do sit at a desk most of the day. It's just a great chance to get things done around the house and get in some movement as well. I have a 3-year-old son who is at a daycare program right now. He has so much fun there, has lots of fun with friends and learns a lot and is always so excited to come home too. But since I have the house to myself, I love to take this time to just get some cleaning done and kind of reset the house so then we can have a nice evening together and I don't have to worry about cleaning. And it's always so much easier for me to clean upstairs when he's not home as well, so then I can do all the dusting and the vacuuming. I get laundry done throughout my days and it works out really well for me. So if you have some time to yourself, whether it is your lunch break and you work from home as well, or it is nap time, or anything that you have going on in your life currently where you get a break in your day and need to get some movement in and also check off some to-do tasks off your list, then let's get some cleaning done together. I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation and you leave here feeling like you've just made a new friend. I'm starting off here at the kitchen sink, getting everything loaded into the dishwasher. Then I need to run the dishwasher because we are completely out of forks. I'm going to run it this afternoon so then we are all set and ready for dinner time. I'm going to clean out the sink so then the kitchen sink is all cleaned out and ready for me later this evening to make dinner. I'm going to quickly wipe down the countertops. I really don't have much to put away downstairs as it is the middle of the week and I've been doing pretty well keeping up with my evening cleaning routine, which is where I clean pretty much everything, tidy everything that my son has played with or we have used during our afternoon and evening, cleaned up from dinner, made sure everything is all set. So this cleaning that I'm doing right now is just from the small few dishes and countertop usage we had from breakfast this morning, which is pretty minimal. My son doesn't spend too much time at home in the mornings before his program. He does wake up hungry, so I do give him something for breakfast, whether it's just a granola bar or he's been on a huge yogurt kick. He has been wanting yogurt almost every day in the morning, so he's been sitting here at his table having a bowl of yogurt. A lot of mornings too, he likes to have peanut butter toast with slices of bananas. Those are usually his breakfast options here. And then he goes to his program and they serve him breakfast as well, where he has eggs and pancakes and waffles and they cook him up all these nice breakfasts. So he does have kind of 2 breakfasts every single day, which is nice for him. And I would love that too because I love breakfast. It is my favorite meal of the day. Now I'm heading upstairs. I like to do most of my upstairs cleaning while my son is away. It's just a lot easier and I can just get through this cleaning a lot faster. So my bedroom, I already made my bed earlier this morning. I didn't raise the blinds because it was still pretty dark. So I'm just pulling up the blinds to let the light in, brighten up the room a little bit, and just lightens your mood instantly to have some sunlight. I had a couple shirts that needed to be hung up, so I'm taking care of that now. And then I just need to straighten up these blankets that are on the bed. My dog loves laying on this bed, so I just put blankets down here so then she's not ruining the bedspread or there's not a ton of dog hair on the bedspread. It's just so much easier to switch out blankets and throw those in the wash than switching out the entire duvet every single time all of her hair is on it. So I just need to straighten that up. Now I'm going to take care of the dusting in this room. I'm just using the Clorox spray, Scentivia spray in the coconut scent. This is my absolute favorite cleaning spray. It smells so good. It makes cleaning a little bit more enjoyable. So I'm going to do a good dusting of this dresser and our side tables. Now I'm vacuuming the room using a Shark cordless vacuum cleaner. I've had this for quite some time now. It works really well. It's super lightweight, so I can easily carry it up and down the stairs, and works really well on these rugs that do collect a ton of dog hair. And I forgot to wipe down this floor length mirror that I have over here in the corner. I am just using the Sprayway glass cleaner to clean this mirror. I absolutely love having a floor length mirror over here. It's so nice to see your outfit from top to bottom and make sure that you look good for the day. My son also loves having this mirror. Sometimes he brings his toothbrush over here because he can't yet see the mirrors in the bathroom. Now I'm moving on to the laundry room. I have a pile of laundry here in the basket that needs to be folded. These are the towels I'm gonna get folded. I do have some clothes underneath the towels, but I'm currently washing my clothes and my husband's clothes, so I will just fold all of those together later on. So if you have a pile of laundry to fold, let's get some folding done together. I will be posting this video on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a wonderful day and feel a little extra loved on this special holiday. What do you and your spouse typically do for Valentine's Day? Leave a comment down below. I would love to know what it is that you do and how you celebrate. These days, my husband and I don't do too much, if anything at all, for Valentine's Day. We do have a 3-year-old the baby stage, toddler stage. It is just so busy and life is kind of crazy for us right now. So we just haven't gotten around to doing a date night. We do have to get it on our list, and we do have quite a lot of people who are itching to babysit our son, which is so nice. So my husband and I are definitely going to have to plan a date night and just go out and enjoy each other's company. But this year, I know he has a huge project with work, so told me he'd be late coming home. So we'll probably just either play a game, have dinner together, watch a movie, and I am not a night owl, so I'll be ready for bed by 9 o'clock. So it won't be a very exciting Valentine's Day for us, but that's okay. When we were dating, Valentine's Day used to be so much fun. We were in college and I don't know, the world was just our oyster. Life was just so different. We just had a lot more freedom and time. But my favorite Valentine's Day that I remember with him was, I believe it was in 2012. He came over, he bought me sneakers that year. They were hot pink sneakers, so cute. I believe they were Nikes, but I just loved them and I was in need of new sneakers and eyeing these. And he had got me those, chocolates and flowers. And then it was snowing that night and we had reservations to go to this Italian restaurant that wasn't too far from my house for dinner. So we contemplated canceling the reservations, but then we thought, oh, it's not snowing that bad. Like, we could definitely make it. It'll be fine. And the restaurant was still open, so we took our time and drove very slowly. The roads were covered in snow. It was so beautiful, and there was nobody out. Nobody on the roads. We just had the whole road and world, it felt like, to ourselves. We got to the restaurant and there was only a couple other tables of people. It was not packed at all. So we really got to just have such a slow evening together and just enjoy each other's company. And it just felt like we had the restaurant to ourselves, the roads to ourselves, and it was just so pretty. The snow just added this extra romantic touch to the evening, and it was just beautiful. We talk about it all the time every year on Valentine's Day that was definitely our best Valentine's Day together, and I'm really not sure how we'll top it because it was just so simple and so sweet and just such a great memory that we get to share. If you have a memory like that, leave a comment down below and I would love to hear it. Now I'm in my son's room. I made his bed. I'm just doing some of the dusting. He has some laundry that needs to be put away as well, and then I'm going to vacuum. Now I am vacuuming my son's room. We have been absolutely loving all the open space and not having that dark navy blue rug in here. It has made such a difference. My son loves playing in this room now, and he just runs around in circles. He plays with toys and reads his books. I don't know what it is about this open, fresh, light, bright, airy feel that we have now in this room, but it definitely has made such a difference, and I'm so happy that my son's even enjoying it. It is the end of my lunch break and I need to get back to work because I've got to jump on another meeting today. I've got quite a few meetings that I have to be on. They're pretty simple on Teams. Everybody works from home, so that's the way we communicate, and it's rather fun. I like it a lot. But since I do have to get back to work, my lunch break is over, I'm going to finish with my cleaning after I get out of work. I have a basket of laundry that needs to be folded. I just threw in a load from the wash to the dryer. That will need to get folded too. It's all my husband's and my clothes, so it'll just make sense for me to fold it right after work ends before I have to go pick up my son. And then I do have these towels. These are all like our dish rags and cleaning cloths. I always just bring them down here and then fold them down here, and they go underneath my kitchen sink. So I'll fold those after work is done too. And right now I'm going to have lunch. I always get asked when I film during my lunch break if I actually eat lunch. Hopefully I do eat lunch, which is so funny. But yes, I do eat lunch. I either eat lunch before my lunch break while I'm sitting at my desk or after, depending on what kind of meeting I have. If I have to talk or present during the meeting, then obviously I'm not going to be eating. But the meeting that I have coming up, I don't really have anything that I have to say, I don't think. Maybe one thing or so. But I'll be able to quickly eat my lunch when it starts at least. So I am just going to heat up some leftover tortellini that we had for dinner last night. And I also have some more of this just chopped salad I'm gonna have with it. So that will be my lunch, and then I will finish my cleaning after. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video and hang out with me today. I hope you got a little bit of cleaning motivation, some inspiration to just take a short amount of time in your day and just complete some of the cleaning tasks that I know you have on your list, just like I do. Again, thank you for taking time out of your day to hang out with me. I appreciate you more than you could know. If you have not yet, I would love to have you subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I hope you have a great week.